Alright, so this minor matter here. We just got our Androidly Systems product from, I don't even know where, India. Sample pins, it says on this very beaten piece of something with my... I don't even know where my address is on this thing. Oh, here it is. Here's our address. So here's our address. When did it get sent? That's a very good question. I ordered this like 2 months ago. So
2 months ago?
It's been a while. It's wrapped in cloth and wax. Like, I've never seen anything. It's like stitched. Look, there's stitching.
And this is all sealed with wax.
Yeah, so you got some stitching. It's a mixed media mail. I've received lots of mail. I've never seen anything in a stitched bag before. This bag is literally stitched shut.
It might be cheaper than paper.
Cheaper than paper.
Or safer.
Less likely to be tampered with? This is no joke. This is, someone seriously just knit this up. Like, that's ridiculous. I've never seen anything. I feel like I need a razor blade or something to do this justice. Where's my knife?
You want a razor blade?
Well, I know it's not been tampered with because the 17 ways of sealing it and the 2 curses are still intact. So as long as... Jeez Louise. I've never had that, and I've sent to every country on this planet. I've never seen it.
I've had gemstones, really expensive gemstone shit, but I've never had it this bad.
Seriously, hand-stitched box. Wow. Quality. Alright, well, I'm making a wax mess. We're just going to do it the easy way. The old scissors. Technology. Got the cute little androids right in the
Japanese print.
Traditional Japanese prints. Look, he's got him surfing. So Japan. You ready?
Smartwatch?
It is a Droid Systems fully Android smartwatch with camera, which when properly configured will allow me to monitor and manage OctoPrint.
Does it have a back?
It's obviously still in the box. I haven't finished unboxing it yet. Full SD, full SIM, full screen. Thanks. One thing at a time, guys. Unboxing video. You can't just rush through it. Charger, battery, back. Much else? Nothing else.
The battery is the back.
Battery is the back. Yeah, it's right here. So there's the battery. And they're like, but where do you put in the charger? Alright, like where?
This.
It charges on the wrist strap. Charges on the wrist strap. So alright, we'll power this thing on and check back in. Alright, so Mind and Matter is back. This Androidly watch, wow. It's everything they said it was. It's an Android device on your wrist. Yeah, that's Pandora. Yeah, Pandora doesn't even work on some of my other cell phones, but it works on my watch. I got the QR code reader running. I got OctoPrint up on there. That's a little hard to see, but with a little bit of custom scripts and whatnot. Looking at our new control device. So, pretty cool. We'll do a full write-up on this. It's not really 3D printing related, but it's definitely a way that new technologies can be employed in new ways, which is basically what 3D printing is about. So if this isn't put the point on the eye, I don't know what does. Oh yeah, it also recharges off the band in case that wasn't cool enough for you. Camera, you know, whatever. Speakerphone. Needs a better sub. Might have matter out.